Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to find your Skype ID on an iPhone. First, open the Skype app on your iPhone. If you are not signed in yet, you will need to log into your Skype account. Start by entering your username or email address and tap Next. Then, enter your password or the one-time code sent to your email. Once you've signed in, you will be taken to the main interface of Skype. On the main screen, look for your profile icon, which is located at the top of the screen. Tap on your profile icon. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Skype Profile. Once you tap on Skype Profile, another screen will appear with your profile details. Here, you will see a section labeled Skype Name. Your Skype ID will be displayed next to it. For example, it might look like Live Your Name or another unique identifier. If you want to share your Skype ID with someone, tap on the Skype name. A copy option will appear. Tap Copy and your Skype ID will be copied to your clipboard. You can then paste it into a message or email to share it with others. That's it. That's how you can solve the How to Find Skype ID in iPhone problem. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.